us to create a cut line so that the laser engraver recognizes it, and then we can mask a picture inside of this shape. So as the directions say here, we're going to first start by selecting our shape. And the reason we're doing this is if I were to copy and paste this and try to line these up kind of inside of it, you're going to find that your proportions are not going to match. And let's see, probably because I have a fill in here. Where's that shape? Alright, so let's see if I can tell you the point of doing this. Alright, so there we go. I copied and pasted and I scaled it. And see how we're never really going to get these proportions to match up. Alright, and therefore we would have a cut around the outside and it's not really going to, you're going to be losing stuff. So what we do instead is we select our shape. We say Object, Path, Offset Path, and we are going to then just, we can do a preview and see that it basically makes that path going around the perimeter there, and that would be a good offset distance so that we still see the border. And now, as it says here, in order for the laser to recognize as a cut line, we make our stroke value 0.072. So it's very thin. I think I selected both of them. So I would go back and change this one to something. Why is that? I must have them grouped or something. Yeah, if I ungroup and now change this one, hopefully I should do it by itself. 0.072. There we go. So now we see that that is kind of showing up like that. Alright, so the next part is where we want to get this picture to be kind of hidden within this shape. So that's called a clipping mask. So as it says here, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to select this inner shape. We're going to say Object, Compound Mask, or Compound Path, and Make. Don't ask me what exactly that does and give you the exact technical definition of that. I'm not really sure. Alright, I'm then going to just lock this layer, or you can move it to the side. Maybe that would be better, just so that we don't kind of confuse that and have it changed from when we're doing our clipping mask here. So I just moved that cutting line to the side after I made this into a compound path. Now I'm going to place the picture behind the this shape that we have here. Alright, if it's not behind, you just right click it and say Arrange, Send to Back. Now I'm going to select both of these by drawing a box around there, and I'm going to say Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. And there we go. So now it is hidden within this shape. We can come back to this if we want. We can add a stroke to it. Bless you. We can increase that stroke to give it a nice border around it, which I am asking for the project. And then we can just move this back over to line up with it. Alright, so